And we are pulling the C4 in the shop and working on it today. So hold on to your butts. We're getting into all this. The Corvette here. That's something I haven't really talked to you guys about. The Facebook group knows about the Corvette and a little bit about it, and some people locally, but on the channel I have not really talked about it. I picked up this 1992 Chevy Corvette for 1,500 bucks. Last time it was actually on the road was at the very end of 2002 or beginning of 2003. The old man that had it ended up jacking up his back really bad. And if you've ever got into a C4 or back out of a C4, you'll understand they are not the easiest vehicle to get in or out of. And he couldn't do it. And so he had to park it, left it in his driveway all this time. I picked it up just at the end of last year and took it over to Brian's shop over there at DNA. They got it up and running for me while I was working on other things and getting stuff flipped. But all they had to do really was change the oil, drop a new fuel pump in it, and she fired up. You'll end up seeing here in the video. Pretty surprised, pretty amazed with the first fire up. That was pretty awesome.
Brakes.
All right, go ahead, man. Whoa! Fire right up. Yeah, they're both blowing warm. Whew. It's gonna need quite a bit of detailing.
That's an understatement. When the headlights working, that's pretty cool.
Fuck yeah, that's awesome, dude.
I don't know if I'll switch when I push up or not.
Woo!
Yeah, headlights work.
Yeah. Dude, you rock. You're awesome. All right. Out in the Corvette. Got on the road. Totally stoked. Giving it a shakedown. Anyways, other things that we need to figure out. Take a look here. Our display is dead. I don't know what speed I'm going. All the rest of the gauges seem to be working, except for temp. Temp gauge is not working. So we probably need to pull out the temp sensor, and that's probably just stuck. Let's see here. My dome light keeps on coming on and off. So I know what that is. I found out that it's the dome light button on the driver's side door. Battery was dead this morning when I went to jump in the car, so I had to jump it. So I'm going to get that replaced. Passenger side window will not roll up and down. Again, electrical, don't know what's up. The heater's not working. It's got a light on, but the fan's not kicking on. Not sure what the scoop is there. I'm guessing maybe, with it set for 16 years, I may have like some, wow, the lighting is just, sorry guys. With it set for 16 years, I'm guessing there's some electrical gremlins. Well, I mean, yeah, obviously there's electrical gremlins I gotta deal with. It would be so awesome if it was just fuses. That would be great. Or like, you know, just some connectivity problem, you know, rust or whatever, something like that on some connectors. Just get them off, clean them up, and replug them in. May not be the problem. We will see. I'm gonna go meet up with Bob, the guy I got the car from. He's got another top for me, and I need to pick that up because this top has a crack in it. So, and then on Friday, drop the car off to get detailed because it's nasty. I tell you what. Yeah, it is just straight up disgusting. Now, a lot of like moldy patches in here and stuff like that. The engine needs to be sprayed down real bad. The exterior needs to be washed. So, but we'll polish this turn. It'll be all right. from that, been chasing down electrical gremlins in the vehicle. It's sat unused for so long, and some moisture did get into the interior, and so there was a bit of corrosion in the fuse box. So if you ever wondered where the fuse panel was for a C4, you gotta open up the passenger door. It's gonna be right here. Okay, so just go ahead and turn that. Comes off, and there's your fuses right there. Got your little clip in there and everything like that. So we're gonna start pulling some of these, figure out what of them might be blown. All right, panel's removed, and you can see this gives us just a little bit better view of what we're dealing with here, and access to be able to see everything in this fuse box here. All right, and so we're just going to start taking off here from the bottom row all the way up. Take all the breakers there out as well, and go ahead and spray this thing down. Okay, we're going to be using this Napa Max electric cleaner, and it's lighted on 4710. Got into that, but we still are having some problems. The LED screen in the front of it that display your speedometer on the dash is lighting up, but technically not working. We don't get to see the speed is, we don't know what the fuel level is, we don't know what the mileage is on it. So we're trying to work to get that back up and running for it. The temp gauge was not working, but Rob just got that up and running, so we're golden there. Also because of that, we're getting electric fans kicking on now whenever the temperature comes up, and so that's really good. So we don't have to worry about overheating the vehicle. So it's looking pretty promising. If we can get these few things dialed out and everything like that, what I'll end up doing is probably just listing this and reselling it. I had bought it with the intent. I had wanted to do like a vet cart like you've seen on Roadkill with it, but after driving the thing around a little bit, I'm leaning more towards getting a C5, like a wrecked one off a Copart, and make that into my vet cart. This thing's just not nice to get in and out of. It's got a tub on it, I would say, that mostly resembles like a Jeep, like a CJ5, a Wrangler, something like that, how the tub is. You've actually got to step over top this lip to get into it. And with the newer Vets, that is way less predominant, and that's why I think I'm going to go that route. It's just a pain in the butt to get into this thing. All right, so I pulled the heater fan, and she's pretty rough. I didn't break the stereo, man. You were already doing that stuff. Waiting on the shop or Napa to get back to me, find out how much one of these is going to cost. We can get that placed in there. Make sure that the head unit that controls the heater and everything, that's going to be working fine. So, seeing that everything else is effed up on this pig. Okay, guys, be smart, be safe. If you like the video, go ahead and freaking hit that like button. Just smash it. Bam! 2020 style, because that's what we do around here. And if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell right over there, because that's going to let you know when we got a new video out. And you're going to want to know. As always, guys, I appreciate every single one of you out there. Get out there, work on your vehicles in your backyard, in the side lot, in front of your house or your apartment. Get spinning those wrenches, get your side hustles on, start making some money, okay? Be safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, so pulling some stuff out of the Corvette from last time it was on the road. And here's a receipt for fuel from back in 8/25/02. And look at that cost per gallon for fuel. $1.68, man. Jeez. Oh, those were better times. Way better times.